Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card in Flipkart. So let's get into the video. So if you have some Amazon gift balance and you want to use it in Flipkart, unfortunately you can't directly transfer your balance from your Amazon gift card to Flipkart because they are two different platforms. So you won't be able to do that. So what I have here is a workaround that you can try. So for that, what you can do, simply firstly open up your Amazon, and then what you're going to do is simply transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your Amazon Pay. To do that, open up Amazon Pay, okay, and then click on gift cards, and then what you're going to do, you're going to add your balance. So add a gift card, click on it, and then now what you're going to do is simply add your gift card code here and then add the balance to your app Amazon Pay. So once you have added to your Amazon Pay, so now what we can do, we can simply, if you go to Amazon Pay, you can simply send this to your bank account. So click on send money and then hit on bank transfer and then plug in your bank details and then send it to your bank account. So now you have your Amazon gift card balance on your bank account. So now you're all good to simply use the funds in your bank account on Flipkart. So you can just open up Flipkart and then make your purchase and then complete the purchase by using your bank account details. Then you can do that. So this is how you can transfer your balance from your Amazon gift card to Flipkart if you want to use it, if you want to use those balance. So as there's no direct ways. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.